We get a lot of patients who say, my husband is snoring, my wife is snoring. So that is another important sign of obstructive sleep apnea. So bulk of our patients now realize that snoring is not a normal thing. Earlier it used to be in Indian households where your friend or somebody snores, they think the louder he snores, they think the deeper he's sleeping. But actually it's not true. It's because sleep apnea involves your tongue going and blocking your airway, like I mentioned about airway. So during sleep, when the airway gets blocked, it's called obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring is the very, very common sign. It is not a normal thing. It has to be treated.